Welcome back to our old Charles. Today we are exploring a fascinating coin from Saudi Arabia, the 25 Halala, issued in 1972. This coin holds significant interest for collectors due to its age and historical context. The Saudi Arabian monetary system uses the rial as its main currency and Halala as its subdivision, with 100 Halala equaling 1 rial. The 25 Halala coin from 1972 is a part of this system and represents a quarter of a rial. This coin is made primarily from copper and nickel, which gives it a distinctive silver color and moderate weight. Its diameter is approximately 27 mm and its thickness is around 2 mm, which makes it comfortable to handle. The obverse side of the coin typically features the emblem of Saudi Arabia with two crossed swords and a palm tree, which is symbolic of strength and prosperity. This emblem has been a consistent feature in Saudi coins and is easily recognizable to collectors. The reverse side usually displays the denomination 25 Halala in Arabic script along with the year of minting in both Gregorian and Islamic calendars. The coin has a reeded edge which adds to its design and provides a tactile feel for collectors who enjoy examining coins physically. When it comes to the value of the 1972 25 Halala coin, there are several factors that collectors consider. First is the condition of the coin. Coins that have been well preserved with minimal wear and clear details can fetch higher prices. Coins that are in mint or near mint condition are especially desirable. The second factor is rarity. Although the 25 Halala coins from the 1970s are not extremely rare, some years had lower mintages, making certain pieces more valuable. The 1972 coin falls into this category for collectors who are trying to complete a set from this period. Another important factor is historical significance. Coins from the early 1970s reflect a period of economic development in Saudi Arabia and the rise of its oil industry, which adds historical interest to collectors beyond the face value in the current collector market. The 1972 25 Halala coin can range in value depending on condition. Circulated coins with noticeable wear are generally valued at a few US dollars, whereas uncirculated or proof coins can be worth significantly more. Some rare specimens have been sold at auctions for prices that reflect both their scarcity and pristine condition. Collectors often look for coins with sharp details, no discoloration, and original luster, which increases the coin's desirability. Additionally, coins with any historical errors or unusual mint marks can become even more valuable for those who are new to coin collecting. It is recommended to store coins properly to maintain their value. Coins should be kept in a dry environment away from direct sunlight and handled by the edges to prevent fingerprints and oils from damaging the surface. Many collectors use coin holders, capsules or albums to protect and display their collections. Investing in a magnifying glass or loupe can also help examine finer details and ensure authenticity. Overall, the Saudi Arabia 25 Halala 1972 coin is a small but fascinating piece of history. Its modest denomination does not diminish its appeal to collectors, as it represents a period of growth and transition in Saudi Arabia. The combination of historical context, condition, and rarity determines its value, making it an interesting coin for anyone interested in Middle Eastern numismatics. Whether you are a beginner collector or an experienced numismatist, this coin can be a valuable addition to your collection. We are diving into the history of the Saudi Arabia 25 Halala coin from 1972. Understanding this coin gives us a glimpse into the economic, cultural and political context of Saudi Arabia during the early 1970s. At this time, Saudi Arabia was experiencing rapid growth due to its booming oil industry, which had begun reshaping the economy and society. The country was transitioning from a primarily agricultural society into a modern state with infrastructure development, urbanization and increasing international influence. The Saudi rial has been the official currency of the kingdom since 1925 and is subdivided into 100 Halala. The 25 Halala coin was introduced as part of the decimal system to provide smaller denominations for everyday transactions. Its purpose was practical, yet it also carried symbolic importance, representing national identity and pride. The design of the coin reflects this, with the national emblem of Saudi Arabia prominently displayed. The two crossed swords symbolize strength, protection and justice, while the palm tree represents prosperity, growth and the kingdom's agricultural heritage. These symbols were chosen carefully to reflect both tradition and modern aspirations. During the 1970s, the kingdom was under the rule of King Faisal, who implemented various social and economic reforms aimed at modernizing the country. His leadership coincided with Increasing global recognition of Saudi Arabia as an oil powerhouse. The coins minted during this period including the 25 Halala serve as tangible reminders of this era of transformation. Collectors and historians alike value them not only for their monetary worth but also for the story they tell about a nation in transition. The minting of the 1972 25 Halala also reflects technological advances in coin production. The coin was produced using modern minting techniques that allowed for greater precision in design and durability. This period marked a shift from older hand-struck or less refined coins to coins that could be produced in larger quantities with consistent quality. This made the coins more reliable for circulation and helped facilitate growing commerce both within the kingdom and with international trade partners. Over the decades, these coins have become collectible items because they capture a specific historical moment. The 25 Halala coin represents everyday life in Saudi Arabia in 1972. From Ma.